Oh, look at you!
This is October 30th, 2009, and Arthur has started taking actual steps today.
Oh!
He doesn't go far.
Come here, Mama! Come on! Oh,
Look at that! He walked! Yeah, it's so exciting!
Towards Daddy.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Look at you! Oh, tip over! We just got back home from trick-or-treating downtown Ann Arbor on Main Street, and we got rained on. Oops! Oops! Tip over! There you go, buddy. Arthur was Yoda.
Oh.
Actually, he needs to be farther away because he can't get anything but his head in the camera.
I know, you want this. Here, you hand that, and then you get on your feet.
Walk to your mama. Oops! Still a work in progress.